kuoli. Ongera kusanga. Ongera kusanga. Yep.
The investigating officer was in court. We have just released him. He was appointed 2:30. When I communicated to the counsel for the accused in the morning, and he had promised that he would be in court. In fact, he started by telling me by 11 he would be here. Then later he said by 2:30. And then finally stopped picking my phone calls. I had to keep the eye on here the whole day, knowing that he did cancel what come as he had promised, because I told him in the presence of the investigating officer that he would actually make it. He's not here, so we cannot proceed. We have given the dates to him which are available according to the court diary, and he has agreed to I pray that court accommodate us so that we can be able to conclude this case. I so pray.
Omusango lwaleero gubadde lwakugenda maaso n'okuwulirwa era nga IO yabadde agenda okuwa bujulizi okusookera ddala ku makya omwami wa gavumenti akubidde looyawo n'amutegeeza nti ku ssaawa 5 ajja kubaalibwa. Bamukubidde ku 5 n'agamba ajja kubaawo ku 8. Oluvannyuma atandise atuuse essera kukyakwata masimu n'omuwambi wa gavumenti. Kyokka essimu yasoose ku makya baagimukubidde mu maaso ga IO n'akakasa nti ajja IO asibye wano olunaku lwonna paka weziweze 8 kitundu ne bamuta agende nga looyawo takyakwata masimu. Aweereddwa ennaku z'omwezi, looyawo ategeezeddwa ennaku z'omwezi kooti zeeyinawo bayogere oba naasobola obaawo, n'agamba ajja kusobola okubaawo nga 12 Desemba olw'omwaka guno. Obadde oyogerezeganya ne looyawo?
Did he give you time? Now it's 3 o'clock and he's not here. Do you think he's still coming?
Sawa ziweze 9 tanatuuka ndowooza akyaze.
Report due to unavailability of counsel for the accused. The last witness was in court, and now counsel is not here, and the matter cannot proceed. Since he has given a date, court is going to maintain the same date of 12th December, and the accused should ensure the availability of his lawyer on that date for the matter to proceed. At adjourned 12 December.
Omusango guno guluddewo nnyo mu kkooti ng'emirundi egisinga looyawo yatabeerawo olw'okuba nti asabye bamuwe 12 kkooti ekkiriza olumu wabula bakugambye okakase nti kwolwo abeerawo. Gwanya bbala